Hi everyone, in front of me I've got OPPO Reno 15 and let me share with you how to allow unknown sources on this device. So let's start with opening the settings. And here we have to scroll and find the security and privacy. Then let's scroll down again and find more security and privacy. Scroll down again and find installation sources. So right here we've got the list of apps which are allowed or not allowed to install some content, and of course we can change it. So for example, let's pretend that I'd like to download the app from Chrome, so from the browser, from a specific website instead of Google Play Store. So all I have to do here is to find my browser, which is right there, and tap on this switcher next to it. Your device will ask you if you really want to do it, because you have to be aware that you're doing it on your own responsibility. Some third-party apps aren't verified by the developer, so you may put your data and actually whole device at risk. So remember about that and choose the apps wisely. So just tap on allow if you're ready, and as you can see, the Chrome is now active. Of course, it works the same with all other apps, and if you wish to remove previously granted permissions, simply tap on the switcher here to turn it off completely. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. Please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.